Hey guys, I know this is kind of out of the blue, but I was mixing up some colors finally because I'm finally feeling better to mix up some colors. So I don't know, I just thought I would mix up a piggy with you guys. So right now I already have ore and cinnamon mixed up. But I'm actually now, I think I'm gonna do some Tailfeather. So this is a 9 ounce glass cup. And usually what I'll do is I will fill to, there's like this, this little indent in the bottom of cups like this. Sometimes there are, sometimes there aren't. Well, usually there are. But just, I usually fill up to right there, maybe a little less, with either the Jo Sonja gloss varnish. Ooh, am I on camera? Yeah. Or I do the Liquitex high gloss or gloss varnish to disperse my piggies. And I know there are a lot of people that worry about the piggies going pastel, especially when you use them with American floetrol. But you don't really need to worry about that the way that I mix them. So let me hit pause and I'll take you guys. Okay, so I moved it to this so you guys could see it a little better. So I've got my gloss varnish in there. Now I have these little spoons. These are just little baby spoons from like the dollar store. It's just kind of what I like. So this is what I start with. It's probably like half a teaspoon. And I put it into my varnish, okay? Sometimes a little more. I think you want to err on the side of a little heavy as opposed to not enough. And always with your piggies, you should be wearing a mask because we don't want this to get in your lungs. And actually in the new year, I'm gonna practice this more often than not. So what you're gonna do is just really, I hope you guys can see this. I think you can. Really mix this up carefully. And this is a dark color, so this is actually good to mix up this color. You really want to get in there and kind of scrape around the bottom, get in those little corners, that little indentation. Get in there with your mixing spoon and really mix it. Always go around on your sides. And with these heavier colors, I'll let them sit for a second or two, like a minute or two, just to really get all the little, make sure I got everything. But this is kind of a slurry consistency. I can't see what I'm doing on camera, you guys, so, which is stupid because I should have turned the camera around so I could totally see it. In fact, we're gonna do that. 1 second. Actually, it doesn't matter. We got to continue down this road. Okay, so I've got like a slurry consistency. It's not really, really runny. There is some viscosity to it. So to this, you guys, I add a gel gloss. Now, my favorite is the Saks gel medium, the True Flow. I just love it. And this is not my recipe, by the way. This is Sarah Mac. Sarah Mac helped me out with this. Hold on. I get it. I haven't opened this in a while, so it's a little, hold on. Play. All right, so Saks. Let's, we're gonna bring this up a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. Okay, so here's my sacks. So usually I'll take just another clean spoon or clean mixing stick, and I'll just get in there and get like a blob of it, you know. I don't measure. And then just bink. And just add that first bit and really mix it in well. Get all down in that little area. In fact, you know what? I need to add the gel gloss to these two as well, so we're just gonna do it together. I should have gloves on, but I don't. Ooh, that's a lot. I don't need that much. And this is just how I do it. I also have used Atelier gloss gel, actually in Vegas for PourCon. The Sax gels, I can't remember what, I think someone else was using it as well. And so we had to use something else. So Atelier was the other one we had available. And so we used that. Okay. Ooh, you know what I did, you guys? I don't know if this is gonna work. I think I got a blob that was like really stringy and gross. I think I just ruined that. I think I need some new gloss gel. So do you want to keep mixing until it's nice and smooth? Like this one, I'll just show you right here. This one's nearly perfect. I hold it up on the spoon, and if it like blobs off, bink, bink, then I'm done. I'm not gonna add any more. If it kind of flows off the stick, I add more gel gloss. But all of these have plenty of gel gloss. Yeah, see, this one definitely has plenty. So there you go. This one, I got kind of a gloopy part of the gel gloss. So I don't know if I can save this one. This one's actually a little too thick. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that. I'm gonna add a little bit of that there as well. And this will just thin it up just a little bit, just so when I'm pouring in my floetrol. Oh, perfect. And just loosen it up just a little bit. That's pretty thick. So see how I say in my video, like tube paint consist. This one might be, oh, now this one's a little thin, but it's okay. It's like borderline. And if I let it sit here for a few minutes, it's gonna thicken up. I don't know what I was saying. But next we're gonna add our floetrol, and we're gonna add it in slowly. And so many people are worried about when you add floetrol, it turns everything pastel. You're gonna lose your shimmer. You guys, it's like so minimal, you won't even notice the loss of shimmer. Like, I don't even like to say that, because by adding the gel medium, the gloss gel medium, you are upping that shine factor. You're like double tapping, if that makes sense. So when you add in your floetrol, honestly, it doesn't really bother it. I have all my pieces, cloud pours, I've done this way. Cloud pours, ring pours, and the shine is ridiculous when it is dry. And then when I varnish my pieces that have piggies, yeah, you don't miss anything. You're not gonna miss, and you're not gonna ruin the shine. So don't stress about that. It's gonna be fine. I think just getting, oh yeah, I need more gel gloss. This is getting weird and chunky. Nope. So next we're gonna go ahead and add our, where is my floetrol? There it is. All right, American floetrol. Shake it. Oh, well, that's one way to make a mess. I'm gonna put old gloves on. And I'm gonna start with just a little bit, like a tablespoon and a half, maybe. Start with that. Mix, 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 mix. Scrape, 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 scrape. Go around the bottom. Then I leave it sit. I don't even check it. I move on to the next one. Tablespoon and a half, maybe. You want to go less is more in the beginning. Okay, so then I'm going to go back and check. This is, this actually isn't bad. I don't mix up a ton of pigments in my cloud pours, but gosh, that's not bad. I think I'm going to put just a little bit more of floetrol. And that's it. I'm not doing anything else here. But see the color? It's like, I keep going this way. I might need to go this way. See, it's like, not perfect. So we're gonna try the gold. This is pretty thick. So I am definitely going to add a little more floetrol in this one. Excuse me, guys. Me likey. Wait, did I really put? Oh yeah, duh. Great. This might be the thinnest one. Done. Pink.